Hey guys, me again. Thanks for checking this out. Couple of things. I guess you've probably heard by now that we will not be meeting in the classroom for the rest of the year. That's kind of a bummer, but it is what it is. We're all trying to stay safe here. Couple of housekeeping notes here. Please make sure each and every day you're going to check on the calendar to see any assignments or updates we may have. You'll want to do this for all of your classes as well. Some of you need a little practice at doing that. Most of us have turned in all the assignments. That's great. There still are a few of you out there who have not turned in anything. Make sure you get that. As at the end of the day today, I will be adding zeros for anybody who doesn't have their submissions turned in. Doesn't mean it's your final score, but kind of a warning that, hey, I am checking this stuff. Also, on your submissions, I'm trying to add some feedback to them, let you know the correct answers. If you got any wrong, kind of help you out so you can make some improvements for the next time. On our calendar today, currently, if you go to 7th grade science, you'll see that it says Friday Favorites, April 3rd edition here. What I've done is given you my 5 favorite songs right now as of today. If you go in there, check it out. Maybe tell me what you think. Share your list, whatever. Just figure it would be a nice way to have some social interaction with each other since we're under this stay-at-home order. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget, on Monday at 10 and again at 10:30, we will be doing a Gem Kit competition. I'll provide you with the codes as we get closer to that. Have a good weekend, and thanks for watching.